Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to create a video membership website using Memberpress and Vimeotheque. We have all plugins installed. For this we need Memberpress Basic, Vimeotheque and Vimeotheque Pro. Furthermore, we are going to need an add-on from Vimeotheque. We can install it by clicking on add-ons. And it's this add-on, Vimeotheque Pro Membership Plugins Compatibility. We are going to click install and the plugin will be installed automatically. Simply activate the plugin. There are no additional settings. After activation, we are going to set up Memberpress and begin setting up our shop. I already imported a few videos. As you can see, they are all public and we are going to restrict them. And for this we are going to Memberpress settings. First thing we need to do is set a payment method. I already have a payment method set up. If we click the plus button, we can add a secondary payment method. I'm not going to do this. I will only keep my offline payment method. And next we are going to set up a membership. You can have multiple memberships. I'm going to call it basic. I'm just going to set up the price and billing type, which should be recurring every month, and just publish this membership. Once published, we are going to set up a rule. Click add new, and we are going to protect all videos imported by Vimeotheque. For this we are going to choose all Vimeo videos, no exceptions, and we are going to add as access condition the condition to have a membership, a basic membership. Next, let's set up the information that can be viewed. We are going to hide excerpts. We are going to set up a custom unauthorized message. Let's say you must be logged in to access this content. And let's add the register button. Please register. We put the link on this text. Open the advanced options. And we search, it's not registered, it's basic. We search for our membership. Basic, this one. And let's add the link. And we are also going to display the login form. So if someone wants to see one of our videos and is not logged in, it will see the registration message and the login form. If he already registered, he can log in. So let's view a video. This is a video that is currently protected. I can see it because I'm already logged in, but any viewer that wants to see this video will be required to log in or register. So now I am logged out, and this is how the video post is displaying for not logged in users. I'm required to log in or register. And if I click register, I'm taken to the basic registration page where I can fill in my details and register for an account. Now that Memberpress is protecting our video posts, let's add the registration link to the menu, this menu, the main menu, and so that people know that they can register. For this we go to Appearance Menus, and into our main menu we will add the basic registration, the basic membership link. For this we go to Memberships, click on Basic, add to menu. Let's rename it to Registration and save the menu. If we take a look in the front end, we have the link for registration. Thank you for watching. For more information, check the video description below or leave us a comment.